You think you know me?
Hi guys, so we are inside Premiere Pro and I have these two clips in my timeline. First we have to make an adjustment layer. Click on this icon and adjustment layer, hit OK. Now drag this adjustment layer on top of our clips. Then from the center we go 15 frames backward and cut it here. And again from the center we go 15 frames forward and cut it here. Delete the extra sides. Shift this layer to the above track. Go back and drag it again. But this time from the center to the right. Cut it right here and delete the excessive part. The area became the center of our transition. Then go to effects and search for replicate. Drag and drop this effect to our timeline on adjustment layer. Go under effects control and under replicate type 3. Again we go to effects and search for mirror effect. Drag this to our adjustment layer. To remove this hard edges line, we need to do a little mess here. First we need to focus on these horizontal lines. In the reflection angle, enter 90 degree and use y-axis to move up and down. Let's zoom little bit. Don't rush guys, these will happily merge together. See, our first edge line is gone. Now it's time for our second horizontal line. Again drag and drop mirror effect on the same adjustment layer. This time we do the math, we need to put minus 90 degree in the reflection angle. And from y-axis, try to align the edges. Let's zoom in. Done. Now if we zoom out, our both horizontal lines are gone and it's time for our vertical lines. Again drag and drop mirror effect on the adjustment layer. This time enter 180 degree in the reflection angle. Wait, don't worry guys, nothing happened. Just need to bring our mirror image back. Use x-axis to bring the image back. Move it slowly. Done. Last time drag and drop mirror effect on our same adjustment layer. Well, this time we put 360 degree angle in reflection angle. Let's bring our mirror image back and try to align our edges. So we are done with the adjustment layer guys. Now it's time to work on the above adjustment layer. Go to effects and search for transform. Drag transform effect onto this adjustment layer. Now go in the center of these clips. Go 6 frame backward by pressing 6 times left arrow key. And start a key from at scale property under transform effect. Again from the center go 6 frame forward and add 300 in scale value. First take the playhead in the center. Then go under scale drop down. Here you find a velocity graph. We need to change it. Let's make this graph more like a mountain peak in the center. Now motion is looking good, but there's still something missing. We close the drop down and uncheck this use composition shutter and increase the shutter angle value to the max. 360 is the limit. वैसे यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए वीडियो की क्वालिटी काफ़ी कम हो जाती है. सो सिंपली इसे ठीक करते हैं. अपनी टॉप एडजस्टमेंट लेयर पे क्लिक करें एंड टाइम इंडिकेटर को लास्ट की फ्रेम पे ले आएँ. देन उसी पॉइंट पे दोनों लेयर पे कट लगाएं एंड डिलीट द एक्सेसिव पार्ट. सो अब आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो की क्वालिटी कम नहीं हो रही है, तो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुकी है. नाउ रेंडर दीज क्लिप्स. If we play, our transition looks so much smoother. We made our transition. Now you can make these by yourselves. Use this transition to your video to make it more cool. Thank you guys. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.